Got a cab high aluminum DCU. It's a contractor unit by ARE. Fits the 09 to 18 Dodge Ram short bed with a 6.5 foot bed. These units are pretty decent shape. Don't have a whole lot of wear and tear on them. So they look really good on the outside, not a lot of damage. This one looks nice and clean on the top edge. Some very minor dents in the roof, but nothing real major on this top at all. Top edge looks good. The whole side looks really nice. The bottom edge looks good. No real major dents or dings or scratches really on this side here to show on this one at all. It's got the full door on this side. It's got a T-handle. You twist, open up. It's got toolbox on the inside with shelves. It's got the horizontal divider, or the horizontal shelf with the vertical divider in between. Does have some use in it. You can see where they've had bins and tools and what have you inside there. This has the automatic door, automatic switch that when you open this top up, it turns on the dome lights inside. Looks like it has dome lights in a bay right up in here. It also has a dome light up in here. Door shuts, you just turn it and lock down. Front edge, there's a few dings in it. I'm not really sure you're gonna be able to see it, but it's possible. It's kind of dinged up a little bit on the front edge. No window in this. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, you can kind of see them maybe through here. No window on the front. Now, this side has the half side slider, radius side slider on this. Not a lot of damage on this side. This side looks really good as well. Edge looks really clean. No damage on that top edge. Just very minor dents in the roof. Really not a lot of damage on these to show at all. Bottom edge looks really good. Nice and clean. Windows look nice. They haven't had a whole lot of use on these tops. On the inside, screens are in really good shape. It's got a small hole. There it goes. Right there, small hole in the screen, and then right there again. It's really not wanting to focus on the screen there, but oh well. There it is. Dome light right there, dome light right there. Has a dome light up there. A little bit of wear on the inside where something's slid around in here. A little bit of wear on the side where they've put tools and stuff inside this. Dome light up there in the back as well. It's built specifically for a 2014 Ram, double cab and regular cab short bed. But it fit the 09 to 18 Ram with the short bed on that. Also has the switch on the back door here as well to open the dome light up or turn the dome light on. Locking T-handle in the back. Has a little bit of corrosion across the bottom of that. A little bit of corrosion there. Nothing you wouldn't expect. Brake light. So there it is. It's cab high ARE DCU. Fits the 09 to 18 Dodge Ram full-size truck with a 6.5 foot bed. Thanks for watching.